All right, so we're at step 5 here, and you're ready to test. So the exams you got to take are, if you have an airframe and power plant rating and you're going for both ratings, then you need to take 3 knowledge exams, which are the general, airframe, and power plant. And you must score a 70% or higher. Once you completed those exams, I recommend that you start speaking with your designated mechanics examiner, the DME, and discuss, just have a little interview, have a conversation with him. Obviously, you don't want to buy him off. That's a felony. You don't want to ask him what's the answers to something, but you can ask him just about everything else. How do you, if I don't know how to use a tool that I never used before, how do I conduct that? What are your recommendations? Maybe I should study up on according to my scores. Those are the conversations you want to have, feel how he is. But what I would do is you can also look him up on Google. You can go to a DME locator on, just like we did with the FISDO on the previous videos. Look them up, DME locator on Google. Go to the FAA website, find the one in your state. Go find the drop-down menu, look for your state, and then you should be able to find the guys closest to you and do some DME shopping. And that way, they're certified to perform the exam, and it's completely okay to shop around to find a person you feel comfortable with. Obviously, don't cheat. You'll lose your license. He'll lose his license, and as well as everybody he tested prior. Those things have happened before. And once you do well in your exam, you'll get your temporary certificate. And if you fail, then you would get a piece of paper saying there's some areas you need to work on, focus on those areas in those sections, and you're going to have to redo that section and get that sign off if you want to get it, retest within 30 days. And after 30 days, you don't need that sign off. But if you're in a time crunch, get that sign off from an A&P. And that's pretty much it for that one. So hopefully, you're successful in these orals and practicals exams and you crush it.